Assalamualaikum everyone. You can see a corn shelling machine. Today I am sharing a video corn shelling with a machine. In our village, corn is an important crop, and after harvesting, we separate the corn kernels from the cobs using a corn shelling machine. The machine helps us save both time and hard work. Before using this machine, people used to shell corn by hand, which was difficult and time consuming. In this video, we can see how the machine is working and how the corn kernels are being separated smoothly. Farming is an important part of our life, and technology is making agriculture easier day by day. I hope you enjoy this village farming video and learn something new about corn processing. Thank you for watching my video.